India and Russia have pledged to boost bilateral trade to $100 billion by 2030. At the India-Russia Business Forum in New Delhi, PM Narendra Modi and President Vladimir Putin expressed confidence that the ambitious target will be achieved ahead of schedule, citing strong economic potential. The nation paid homage to Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on his 70th Mahaparinirvan Divas or death anniversary today. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Speaker Om Birla and other dignitaries paid floral tributes at Parliament, honouring Ambedkar's legacy as a reformer and architect of the Constitution. The Supreme Court has assured that judges are exercising extreme caution in using AI within the judicial process, emphasizing that technology will never replace judicial decision-making. The bench led by CJI Suryakant and Justice Joymalia Bagchi gave the assurance while hearing a plea on AI regulation. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has ordered IndiGo to clear all pending passenger refunds by 8 p.m. tomorrow. Airlines have been told not to charge rescheduling fees for affected passengers, with the ministry warning that delays or non-compliance will trigger immediate regulatory action. Odisha has emerged as a top tourist destination, recording steady growth in visitor numbers over 3 years. Deputy CM Prabhati Parida informed the Assembly that arrivals rose from 86.24 lakh in 2022-23 to over 1.13 crore in 2024-25, reflecting Odisha's cultural and natural appeal. Odisha has intensified its crackdown on the spurious liquor mafia, registering 26,601 cases and arresting 26,916 people in last 11 months. Massive seizures included spurious, country, Mahuli and Jaggery brews. 2 excise officials were suspended over Chickity Hooch deaths, Excise Minister Prithviraj Harichandan informed the State Assembly. Union Home and Corporation Minister Amit Shah announced plans to raise cattle rearers' income by 20% in 5 years through a circular economy in the dairy sector. He made the statement at Sanadar, Gujarat, inaugurating Banas Dairy's bio-CNG plant and new milk powder facility. India advanced to the semi-finals of the FIH Hockey Men's Junior World Cup 2025 after a thrilling quarter-final win over Belgium in Chennai. The match ended 2-2 in regulation time, with India clinching victory 4-3 in a tense penalty shootout. India bowled South Africa out at 270 with 13 balls to spare in the third and final ODI at Visakhapatnam. Earlier, India won the toss and chose to bowl. With the series tied 1-1, the match is a decisive showdown.